In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get unlimited leads for free using Deepseek. Let's start simple. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Deepseek and hit enter. Look for the official Deepseek website in the results and click through to open it. Once you're on the home page, switch the site to English so everything is clear and easy to follow. Then select Start Now to open the chat workspace where you'll do all the magic. Inside the chat, you're going to ask Deepseek to build a lead generation system tailored to your business. In your first message, briefly describe what you sell, who you serve, and what makes your offer valuable. Include useful context like your niche or industry, the market you're targeting, your location if it matters, your ideal price point, your lead goals, and any constraints like timeline or budget. You can also mention which channels you prefer, such as email, social, or search. Keep it practical, but avoid sharing any sensitive personal data. When your message looks good, click Submit and let Deepseek produce a strategy draft. Next, you'll guide it to generate the assets you need to execute. Ask Deepseek to deliver 4 things in one go. First, detailed customer profiles, often called ideal customer profiles, that define the audiences most likely to convert. Second, a compelling lead magnet idea with a clear title and promise that attracts those audiences. Third, high-converting landing page copy that includes a headline, subheadline, benefits, proof, and a strong call to action. And fourth, a 30-day lead generation action plan that outlines daily or weekly tasks to drive consistent results. Click Submit again and give it a moment to compile these items. As the outputs appear, read them closely. If anything feels too generic, ask follow-up questions and request revisions, like narrowing the audience, changing the tone, or tailoring the lead magnet to a specific pain point. You can also ask for variations, shorter or longer versions, and suggestions for distribution channels that fit your audience. Deepseek responds best when you're specific about your goals and constraints. That's all you need to get started. You've used Google to find Deepseek, switched to English, launched the chat, submitted your business details for a tailored lead gen system, and requested the exact deliverables that turn strategy into action. Save your results, refine them with a couple of follow-ups, and you'll have everything you need to start generating leads right away, without spending a cent.